A core value of LaSalle University is service, rooted in solidarity and justice. This vision calls us to stand with those who are marginalized and to actively respond to inequity. We look to the roots of poverty and injustice to find solutions that improve the lives of individuals, families, and communities worldwide. Here at LaSalle, we pride ourselves on our student-led service programs. The Fellowship of Community and University Service, or FOCUS, is an umbrella group that encompasses 25 service programs. These programs serve in Philadelphia and across the U.S. and world. This video will focus on our local service and advocacy programs, with another video in the series talking about our immersion service programs. Most of our weekly service programs line up under the themes of tutoring and mentoring, outreach, and advocacy. These programs are 100% led by our students and done with community partners across the Philadelphia region. Our tutoring and mentoring programs work with children in local neighborhoods in grades kindergarten through high school, providing after-school tutoring, mentorship, and fun, either at a local Boys and Girls Club or on campus in the Connolly Library. Our outreach programs work with communities across the Philadelphia region, working around issues of public health, food and housing insecurity, and working with those with intellectual disabilities. Our advocacy programs work on bringing awareness of issues of social, economic, and environmental justice to campus and our local community. Many students find their home at LaSalle through our service programs. If a program doesn't exist yet, we'll help you start one. Thanks for viewing and enjoy your virtual visit to LaSalle. We hope to see you here in August.